हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैंने पिछले वीडियो में 9th स्टैंडर्ड का मैथमेटिक्स मॉडल पेपर लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने अपलोड किया है, दैट इज एमसीक्यू सॉल्यूशंस। आज मैं आपको रोमन नंबर 2 आंसर द फॉलोइंग विच कैरीज 1 मार्क ईच। टोटल 8 क्वेश्चंस आर देयर। पहला क्वेश्चन, 9th क्वेश्चन, convert 0.666 into fraction. First write the question. X is equals to 0.666 continuous. This can be written as 0.6 bar. Since एक डिजिट के बाद पॉइंट है, मल्टीप्लाई बोथ साइड बाई 10. अगर वही 0.75 रहा तो मल्टीप्लाई बोथ साइड बाई 100 करना था, लेकिन यहाँ पे 0.6 बार है तो मल्टीप्लाई बोथ साइड बाई, ओके, x into 10 is equals to 0.666 into 10. 10 into x is 10x is equals to, जब कभी भी मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 10 के साथ या 100 के साथ, 1000 के साथ, ये जो पॉइंट है इधर शिफ्ट हो जाता है। अगर वही डिवाइड करे तो 0.6 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 करे तो दिस पॉइंट विल शिफ्ट टू हियर, बट वही मल्टीप्लाई करे तो this point will shift to right side. 0.6 into 10 becomes 6.0. In the same way, if I am multiplying 0.666 into 10, then the answer is 6.6666. Okay, 10x as it is. 6.66 can be written as 6 plus 0.666. 10x is equals to 6 plus, in the equation x is equals to 0.666, right? Instead of 0.66 you can write x. x के वैल्यूज को एक साइड कर लो, नंबर्स को एक साइड कर लो। प्लस x ए साइड आया तो माइनस x is equals to 6. Nothing is there, means 1. 10 minus 1 is 9x is equals to 6. 9 a side आया तो x is equals to 6 divided by 9. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. The answer is x is equals to 2 by 3. This is the fractional form. Okay, Roman number 2 का second question, that is 10th question. Write the standard form of quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial का standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, 11th question, find the distance between the points 2, 3 and 2, 0. This is 9th standard. अगर वही क्वेश्चन 10th स्टैंडर्ड में होता तो फॉर्मूला आता d is equals to अंडर रूट x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. But this is 9th standard. 9th स्टैंडर्ड में डिस्टेंस का फॉर्मूला नहीं है, तो मैं ग्राफ डाल के समझाती हूँ आपको। फर्स्ट 2, 3, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, y values 1, 2, 3. Here 2, 3. First value is 2, 3. X value is 2. Y value is 3. This is 2, 3. And next to 2, 0. This is 2, y doesn't have any value, so 2, 0. The distance between this and this is 3. Answer is 3 units, or you can write 3 units. Okay, this is 9th standard based. If the question was in 10th standard, then you should solve by formula method. Okay, what is the value of y when x is equals to 3 of the line y is equals to 3x minus 9? You should write x is equals to 3 instead of x. The question is y is equals to 3x minus 9. Instead of x you have to write 3. Y is equals to 3 into 3 minus 9. 3 3s are 9 minus 9 is equals to 0. Value of y is 0. Next, define a line segment according to Euclid's geometry. Euclid's geometry, a line segment is a part of a straight line. line segment is a part of a straight line that is bound by two distinct points. Okay, two different points. This is a line segment. If two 14th question, if two angles are supplementary, what is their sum? Supplementary means x plus y. If two angles x plus y are supplementary, the answer is their sum is 180 degree. Write the decimal representation of 5 divided by 8. 5 by 8 can be written as numerator. You have to write inside the years here 8. In 8 tables 5 will not go. Take 0 point. 0 point, then 5 becomes 50. 8 6 are 48. 2 remains. एक बार पॉइंट रखे तो कंटिन्यूसली जीरोस प्रोवाइड करते छता उन्हें 8 2s are 16. 4 is remaining. Again point is there. 0 will come. 8 5s are 40. The decimal representation of 5 by 8 is 0.625. Solve 16th question, last question of second Roman. Solve for x. 4x plus 5 is equals to 21. x की वैल्यूज को एक साइड करो, नंबर्स को एक साइड करो. +5 वो साइड गया तो -5. 4x is equals to 21 minus 5 is 16. X is equals to 16 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. X is equals to 4. Okay, I think now you have understood the second Roman. In the next video, मैं आपको Roman number 3 2 marks के क्वेश्चन समझाऊंगी. Okay, thanks for watching this video.